Hands on your knees, sitting up as tall as you can.
It was 810 CE, the golden age of Islam. And welcome to the House of Wisdom!
The House of Wisdom was a library.
A place full of learning in the walled city of Baghdad.
There are discoveries here all the time. Many people came here, such from India, China and Greece. We learn about science, geography and astrology. Traders went across the river Tigris to get to Baghdad. The river Tigris gave access to the fortress. Baghdad was built on the banks of the river. But what if it floods? Floods are good.
We've had good floods this year.
Look at the soil. It's alright for the crops. That's because it's in the Mesopotamian region. That means between the rivers.
No, it's the river Tigris.
The
river Euphrates. It's perfect for farming. It would be the best place to live.
Let's build here.
Houses,
Farms.
places to pray.
We have laws and a government.
And what else do you want?
A city!
A circular city with no beginning or end. A beautiful palace in the middle.
4 gates, north, east, south and west. A city called Baghdad.
Look, it's Al-Khwarizmi, the father of algebra. I spend most of my days in the House of Wisdom. I think, I learn, I invent.
He's not the only one. Al-Haytham was the first one to create the first camera.
Selfie! Scholars came to the House of Wisdom.
Because they had more books than anywhere else in the world. Buildings were used to praise Allah.
Life was great in early Islamic times.
Not quite!
We are the Mongols! We're from Mongolia. We are fierce. Fierce! They want to conquer Asia. And Africa!
Settle down.
Yes, John!
We need to take over Baghdad.
We will destroy them!
Attack! What about Abbasid? The Caliphate was led by a caliph.
The Abbasid Caliphate was a family of leaders. And we want to get rid of them! of wisdom.
That was
the end of Baghdad's golden age.
But not this one. It looks different because none of the original houses are there today.
It is now the capital of Iraq.